Hi guys, welcome to 2020, our first video for the year, so we might as well get straight into Bitcoin. I've got the weekly chart up now. Not a great deal I want to dive into on this time frame, but just a few interesting things. As you can expect, volume and price action really slowed down over the festive season. We're on the other side of that now, so hopefully we can see some decent price action, pick up volume, get some decent trades under our belt early on. I'll just point out a few things. We're in no man's land at the moment, price-wise. We've got a few strong wicks on the weekly candles here, so we've got some buyers sitting in here, just steadying the ship a little bit. But quite often after a strong move, we'll get some consolidation before the next move continuing on in the same direction as the trend. So that's what's happened here. I'll just point out here though, we did get our strong move down, we got our consolidation, but we actually bounced and pulled back. Still made a lower high, so our downtrend is still intact, but we did bounce and move off our consolidation area at EMA acting as support. So as you can see here, EMAs in a trending market are really good. We've crossed over here with high volatility, but as it slowed down, the price really was capped by the weekly 50 EMA here. We did stop and pause here before breaking through with momentum, and now the same thing here. We paused, bounced, and now we've broken back through. So EMA here is acted as support. We've now broken, and at the moment we're looking to retest this area. So that's what I'm looking for here. A little bit more of a push up to the upside, maybe high sevens, 8,000 US dollars, touch of the trend line, and then we'll continue to our next leg down. 6,000 is my target at the moment. I believe we'll still get there. Can we go below? Quite possibly. If we do, we're looking at probably the high fours, and you never know, maybe even double bottom at the low threes. So hopefully we don't get there. Hopefully we'll bounce here and continue up. I hope this is just a big move on an Elliott wave count. Wave 1, 2, wave 3 will push up above our previous high here. But just want to point out the weekly 20 and EMA crosses. We've got a cross here. Price was capped by the EMAs. Next leg down. Crossed over here. Price had already crossed strongly with momentum, but even once that cross occurred, we still moved to the upside even more. So looks like we're going to have another cross here pretty soon. I do expect more movement to the downside just based on that. So interesting chart on the weekly. We'll drill down to the daily now and have a bit of a closer look. Daily chart now, not really too much to show price action wise, but as you can see, let me just draw this in here. 7,700, extremely strong level. Broke through, retested there, another bounce there, false break, pushed up. Now we've broken, retested, and looking to retest this area again, as well as the daily 50 MA. So this area here, very strong. Let me just get rid of this for you guys. So what I want to see, I'm looking for a retest just a little bit higher than where we are at the moment. I'd like to retest 7,700, reject the daily 50 MA and this trend line here. If we can push up a little bit higher, which I think we will, that'll give us a really nice entry point there. If we push higher, break this trend line, break 7,700, I'll be looking for a break and retest and hold above support here before I look for longs. Trading against the trend and looking for a trend change, I really want to see a break and retest. If I'm trading with the trend, I'm happy to trade a breakout depending on the price pattern and structure, as long as it's nice and neat. So that's what we're looking for at the moment. No man's land at the moment, even on the daily chart. So just a little push higher and reject this level would be good. I've got the 1 hour chart up now. I didn't bring the 4 hour chart up. Not a great deal to see on that one. This one here, we've had a strong move back above low sevens, that support structure there. It's not crystal clear, but it's a pretty clear line. We've had some rejections at that level. So I was anticipating possibly a pullback here and maybe the next leg up, retest the daily 50 MA and that trend line I've previously just showed you. So this here, we've got a continuation pattern and a break of this trend line here. I decided not to take this because we're trading pretty much straight into the daily 50 MA. Part of my own personal trading plan is not to trade through the daily 50 MA unless I can bulletproof the trade or I've already locked in some decent profit. So from here, we may very well pull back and reverse from here. Possibly got a horizontal level here at the moment as well. So carries a little bit of risk trading at the moment. It's been pretty choppy, as you can see here, a bit of a zone. So we want to see if we can just push a little bit higher, maybe get a decent pump and a rejection there, a nice wick candle like this will be good to see. That'll give us indication that the move is exhausted. Same with this one here, a really nice wick. Exhaustion in the move, and then we can head lower. At the moment, I'm not interested in trading long against the trend. I want to see a lot more before I'll look to go long on Bitcoin. So at the moment, we're stuck in this range. This is just all consolidation from the festive period. As you can see, it's pretty ugly, pretty messy. So we want to break up above 7,700. Or to get to the next downside, we'll take a short here if we get a nice rejection candle. Otherwise, if it's just still choppy, we just need to wait until we can break below about 7,000 or 7,100 for a trade. So that's it for Bitcoin at the moment. A little bit choppy. Just want to wait to open up some more volume, more price action, get some nice patterns, and we can start trading.